The idea was clear: capture moving images, transmit them over large distances, and display them at the other end. It didn't exist yet, but it was obvious that something like that would be cool. Then, in 1925, Scottish inventor John Logie Baird came up with this: the first ever television. The subject would sit in front of a spinning disc, which had 30 holes equally spaced in a spiral pattern. As it spun, the holes would scan across a window, capturing the entire frame in a series of 30 vertical lines. As each hole passed the window, it allowed light into the machine, where it was focused onto a photoelectric cell. This was made from thallium, a material that generated electricity based on its exposure to light. The more light that it received, the more electricity it would generate. As the holes scanned the subject, the photoelectric cell would measure the changes in brightness and turn that into an electrical signal. This was then transmitted using either radio waves or a telephone cable to the display. From there, the process would basically happen in reverse. First, the signal was amplified and sent to a light bulb, which was placed behind an identical spinning disc. As the disc spun, the electrical signal would vary the brightness of the light, which would fall onto a glass screen at the front of the machine. Although this was simply a dot of light, it painted the entire frame so quickly that the human eye would blur it into a single image. It wasn't perfect. 30 lines produced a pretty poor resolution, and with only 5 frames per second, the playback was choppy. But Baird's idea of the television was now a reality.